Now I'm talking about long distances transport of water and other substances. Plant need to move molecules over a long distances much more than animals do. तो प्लांट को पानी काफ़ी दूर तक ऊपर तक ले जाना होता है और पानी रूट से लीफ तक पहुंचता है. वाटर टेकन बाय द रूट हैज़ to reach all part of the plant up to the very tip of the growing stem. The food synthesized by the leaves have also to be moved to all parts including the root tip embedded deep inside the soil. इसी तरीके से लीफ में जो फूड प्रिपेयर होता है वो प्लांट पूरी प्लांट बॉडी में और सॉइल में बिल्कुल डीप तक रूट के पास पहुंचना ज़रूरी होता है क्योंकि उसे एनर्जी चाहिए होती है रूट को. मूवमेंट across short distances, say within the cell, across the membrane and from cell to cell with the tissue has also to takes place. So now we will try to understand the mechanism of movement of water and other substances up a plant. Diffusion is one choice. एक तरीका हो सकता है diffusion. However, diffusion is a slow process. It can account only for short distances movement of molecule. In plants, other substances have to be moved across very large distances. In such circumstances, diffusion or active transport would not sufficient. Special long distances transport very large distance. In such circumstances, much faster rate transport is required over long distance process through the vascular system. Vascular tissues include xylem and phloem. Xylem is a water conducting tissue and phloem is a food conducting tissue, and it is called translocation. Xylem is associated with translocation of mainly water, mineral salts, some organic nitrogen and hormones from root to aerial part of the plant, whereas the phloem translocate a variety of organic and inorganic solids mainly from the leaves to other part of the plant. Water and minerals and food are generally moved by a mass or bulk flow system. In mass flow, all the substances, whether